I will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Pinterest app. All you have to do in the first, you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You just scrolling down here, click on apps. Then you come to apps list and here you're looking for Pinterest app. Or just click on search and here add here Pinterest app. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on for stop, click on OK. You scrolling down here, click on storage. You will find here clear cache, just click on it. So then you go to your Play Store. You click here on your Play Store. Then here you search for Pinterest app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. Also, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.